going to bring in some voices from Karnataka. You have Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman voting in Karnataka, so this time she isn't contesting, but certainly has come out nice and early to exercise her franchise. We saw a lot many more celebrity faces. Rahul Dravid, we had a few more who came out, Sudha Murthy, Narayan Murthy, right in the start of the day. And India Today, of course, was there to bring in their voices. Let's cut across to all the reactions pouring in from Karnataka.
Yes, it can be a hot day for Bengaluru, but it is worth coming out. Choose your time, come, please come, do vote. India needs every vote. I was also very happy to see a lot of one-time voters, the first-time voters, first-time voters who were here. I stood with them, had some pictures clicked. The enthusiasm among the senior citizens and enthusiasm among the young, the first-time voters, is very encouraging.
Today is a celebration day in Karnataka. It's a festival of democracy. Millions of people will go out and vote today. My request to people is to come out and vote in big numbers. This is a privilege that we have. This is not just a right, but it's also a duty. Because if we don't vote, we are not registering our voice. If we don't vote, we are not contributing meaningfully in a democracy.
देश का रक्षा करने के लिए, देश को विकास करने के लिए फिर से एक बार, तीसरे बार मोदी जी चाहिए देश को. इसलिए उसका उत्सव हम आज मना रहे हैं. हमारे क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा अंतर से हम जीतेंगे, ऐसा उम्मीद है.
Today I voted in Jalalli village. So this nation of the people, and especially in the Karnataka, they have to vote for the nation building or nation development for the nation. This is very, very prestigious election. So I think people of Karnataka will vote for good person. So I voted for good person. So I think Karnataka people vote for the good person.
Here in Bengaluru, what is the message for Bengalurians and all the South Bengaluru?
Everyone will say the same thing. Please come out, vote, express what's in your mind, and choose your leaders.
And what is the issue that Sudha Murthy looks at? Is it the candidate, the party? What does Sudha Murthy look at?
I always look at the stable government, government which will work, which will help poor people. That's always in my mind.
And usually people, because it's summer, don't turn out, and it's a long weekend.
Summer you go for hiking, summer you go for cold places. And can you not do for your country once in 5 years? You should be conscious about your country, what do you want, and what do you want to tell your leaders. So you should come out and once in 5 years, not every day.
What is the message for Bengalurians?
Well, today is a very happy day. Today we should all be enthusiastic to exercise the power given by our Constitution to choose whatever candidate that we want to govern us for the next 5 years. Therefore, we must all be very happy, enthusiastic and energetic to take care, to handle this extraordinary power given by our democracy.